Kia ora once again, everyone that's been watching our channel, on my channel. And I did explain in my last video that I'll be doing something special. Like again, this is the Cook Island guitars strumming style. And I have brought along for this tutorial my brother Henry Tupou, aka Ropa Sonko, and also my nephew Romayor Tupou. So basically, I'm going to be doing 4 sections of melody that we usually play. I say when we sound check, or like when we're tuning up, we usually have a melody that we play with our ukuleles, and we're going to do it with our guitars, but we're going to do it individually. We're going to start off with me, and then we'll go with my nephew, and then we'll carry on with my brother Henry, and then we're going to do it one more time around, and then finish off with the melody twice around with all of us playing. So the chords will be in starting off with C, then a G, back to C, G, back to C again, with a C7, going to F, G, back to C, and then we finish it off from there. But for now, we're going to start off, and this is how it goes. That's our 5th tutorial, and that was my final one. I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and from part 1 to part 5. If you want to see more of my channel, to see tracks and videos, do some subscribing, like, comment. Also don't forget to click the notification button, and also check out my brother Henry Tupou's channel, his YouTube, and he'll be also bringing up new videos and new tracks coming up. Other than that, thank you very much. Kia ora e kia manuia.